Hello. So we just got a couple of little quick fire bits today. Here we are in my Motoring Mayhem, my little garage, chock-a-block full of stuff, because it's got to be mayhem, otherwise it ain't good. So we're always tinkering. Well, a lot of us are always tinkering. Some of us tinker small, some of us tinker big. So I was asked to, what we got coming up? VW camper vans. So T4s, T5s, they're T5s. So I've got two friends with them and they've asked me to help them out. So one of them was, you'll see, have a look at the picture. There you go. So it's a wakeboard, kind of a decorative wakeboard, but yeah, Jep saw it, thought, I know what I can do with that. Brought it in, asked me to chop it up, and he took it away. So I set him on his course, and it came out good. I like it. So cut and fade away. So the next one, so my other friend with the T5, he's gone nuts. He's gone nuts on it. Proper hands-on, and lined it out, got it looking proper nice. That was a bare shell restoration, modification. There we go. So he had the, what do you call them? Rock and roll beds. That's the fella. So as ever with the camper vans and stuff, you're always looking for that extra bit of space. So he had this great idea and popped down to me at my day job workshop over the weekend, and we knocked this out. So huge space underneath the rock and roll bed, and he supplied all the hardware and helped out while I was in the workshop. So there should be some pictures of that scrolling through. They come out nice. The piece of wood on top of the drawer you should be seeing about now-ish, depends on my video editing. So that was his original table. He didn't want the fixed table inside his van. He wanted a bit more flexibility and like being able to take it outside. There's a lot of radio control planes and stuff, so he's always out and about. Can't always park the van where he is, so he loves having the table spare, but it worked out perfectly as a nice little top for the drawer that pulls out, so it acts as yet another table without having to get the table out, if that makes any sense. So that's a nice little project, and that'll do. Enough wittering. We're posting more videos, some from my archives. Try to get them all on this channel now, so keep looking back. Yeah, oh, the C to the Max, yeah, I'll post a little video of that as well. That's a proper little box. Right, see you soon.